Today on my Tesla Model Y, we're going to be installing a side skirt splitter lip, and you can also get this for your Tesla Model 3 as well. And this is coming from the good folks over at EVBASE.com. Over at EVBASE.com, you can get up to 23% off, not just on this accessory, but any accessory for your Tesla or EV when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. So with your side skirt splitter lip, it's going to go right here on the side. It's made from real ABS material. It's really easy to install, and also it's going to prevent debris from scratching up the bottom portion of your car. You want to get one of these for your Tesla. So let's go on and break out the box over here, and let's go on and get right to the install. So whenever you open up the box, you're going to have 4 pieces that look like this, and also you're going to have 2 bags of screws, one bag for the driver's side, the other bag for the passenger side. So to help save you time, let me explain this to you real quick. It took me a while to figure this out, but I figured it out for you, and I'm going to share it. If you can look here on the ground, you have a taller piece and a shorter piece. The taller piece is going to go to the front of the car. So watch how this is going to work. If it doesn't fit like this, you probably have the driver's side, but right now we're on the passenger side. There's a straight piece here. The shiny piece is going to go up. You're going to screw the screw holes under the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to line up that shiny piece, and after you see when it lines up like this, if you can just look on down, you can see that that's how it's going to go. What we're going to do first is that we're going to just screw these together like that. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, just a regular one would be fine. Inside of your screws, you have 3 smaller screws. So here on the ground, we're going to pour them right on out. And from here, we have to go through and find, oh, there go 1. I'm just going to put it here. It's not really difficult. It's 2, you just have to find it. And 3, oh, here we go. So what we're going to do is take our Phillips screwdriver, and we're just going to go on and screw it on in. So I thought about it, so now I'm here in my garage. You can use the Phillips screwdriver, but here inside of my garage, I have a power drill with a flexible shaft driller, so you can get at awkward angles. So if you do have hands on one of these, it will help your process go by quicker, but a regular screwdriver will work as well. All right, so I'm just gonna take my screw, and we're just gonna go in, and it's nothing you really have to worry about because we're going into the hard plastic versus the battery itself. So you don't have to worry about if you're gonna hit the battery. And I'm starting on the second one. And here on the skirt, you have 10 different screws on each side. So right here, we're finishing up on the passenger side. So you just wanna make sure that it's nice and tight. And from here, I'm turning the car around, and we're going to repeat the same process again on the driver's side in order to knock all of those in. So now that we have the driver's side skirt for the car, we're just going to line up. Remember, the longest part is going to go closer to the front, the smallest part, and the largest square will go toward the back. And again, we are just going to line it right on up and knock those screws right on in. All right, so this is what we have with the skirts right here. And you can see it's really adding that pizzazz to the car, along with these wheel covers right from EVBASE. And remember, we have the fog light covers. We also installed the front lip here, which look amazing. And this is the driver's side right here. And it also goes very, very, very well with our Falcon Wing spoiler here on the back of the car. And remember, you can get all of those accessories and so much more when you visit EVBASE.com and you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. And I'm going to show you more accessories that you can add on your Tesla, a very quick install, and check out the top video right there for that install. Other videos right down there. Be sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.